Hi friends, Balbir here. This is a Windows 11 beginners tutorial to set password for your Windows local account. Go to menu, then settings. Now click on accounts and then sign in options. Here you have different sign in options like facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN and password etc. To use any other options, first you need to create password. Now let's go to password and click on add. Now you have to create a new password here. Enter a new password, confirm it, and you have to enter a password hint as well. Then click on the next and click finish. And that's how you can create a password for your Windows account. You can also create a PIN as well. Let's do that. Click on setup here. Verify your password. Now you have to create here new PIN. And click OK. Now you would be able to log into your Windows 11 by entering password or PIN. That's all for this quick video guys. Hope this helps. If so, hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in my next video.